My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
And I'm for the state respondent.
Right. For the respondent number 7 and 8.
My lord, the petitioner's husband is the recorded owner of 2 shop rooms in Bishnupur, my lord, in the district of Bankura, my lord. My lord, while the petitioner along with his mother went to clean that shop room, my lord, on 16th of October 2022, my lord, the private respondent number 7 and 8 assaulted them with hydraulic iron rod brought from the nearby motorcycle shop, my lord. To that, my lord, they sustained severe head injuries, bleed injuries, my lord. I have annexed the photographs, my lord. Kindly comes to page.
How are you related?
My lord, I am the wife and the mother of the, my lord, the who is the owner of the shop. My lord, kindly.
One minute. Onima is the petitioner. Gopal and Topon, how are they related to Onima?
They are neighboring persons, my lord.
Neighbors.
They have a long eye to occupy that place, my lord.
They are neighbors, not family members.
No, not family.
All right. Now, petitioner is the owner of the shop.
Petitioner's husband is
the owner.
the owner of
Petitioner went there to clean the shop. At that point of time, these 2 people came and assaulted her.
assaulted her with rod, my lord, and they sustained head injuries.
Yes.
Severe, my lord. The medical report, my lord, kindly.
Now, what have you done? Have you lodged a complaint?
The FIR was specific complaint was lodged. FIR was lodged under section 325, 326, that is of grievous act, 307 attempt to murder, 506 criminal intimidation, and 34 that is common intention. This was the initial FIR lodged, my lord. Subsequently, what the police has done, my lord, at the time of filing of the charge sheet, they did not state they did not produce a single medical evidence that what injury that has been sustained by the petitioners and his mother that has not been placed. Rather, my lord, if your lordship can sees the charge sheet in a stereotype manner, my lord, only one line has been, my lord, spent to my lord. Page 25, my lord, kindly comes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the last portion of the on a sudden, both the FIR named accused persons assaulted complainant's wife and mother-in-laws and with hydraulic rod of motorcycle. As a result of which, both of them received injuries and admitted at Bishnupur District Hospital, such and discharged on Atto. And also threatened complainant and his family members with dire consequences. No evidence could be found to establish section 325, 326, 307 of IPC. This is the contention of the investigating officer. If your lordships kindly if your lordship 25, if your lordships kindly considers annexure P5, my lord, kindly the photographs of the injury, my lord, that is starts from page 35. This was the injury, my lord. What has been done by the police is that, my lord, at the initial stage, hard section was given, grievous sections was given. Now, the private respondents has managed the police somehow to file this charge sheet under the lighter section so that they can get bail from the learned court below. This is the intention of the minor police officers. As such, my lord, these medical evidences were not placed on record.
Right. Yes, police.
My lord, I am for the state respondents. Lordship may kindly seize the report. Lordship may kindly seize the writ petition. My lord, I don't know what document my learned friend is trying to rely upon. Now, my lord, subject to correction, if my learned friend is aggrieved by the filing of a
whether the all the documents which were relied upon by the petitioner, the medical documents and everything, are they on records?
My lord, kindly seize. This is the document. These are the documents. Now, my lord, in the event and if the petitioner is aggrieved by filing of a charge sheet, my lord, subject to correction, the remedy lies under section 173(8) by filing a Naraji petition. Or at the time of trial, he can bring these documents into evidence. That is the remedy, my lord, subject to correction.
My respectful submission to that will be, my lord.
325, 326 gone, 307 gone.
My lord, what those were the non-cognizable, non-visible offenses.
In the event, my lord, kindly appreciate.
Of the
My lord,
case has
even
been
if
damaged, my lord, completely.
For a moment, you want nobody to say. It is the police.
My lord, even if it is presumed that those sections are not there, the remedy is to file a Naraji. Now, my lord, kindly see page 33. The medicines prescribed for such grievous injury. Page 33 of the writ petition.
Do you have page
My lord, page
35? Do you have page 35 in the writ petition?
Yes, my lord, I have.
36.
My
Are
lord,
they
page
colored?
33. My lord, page 33, lordship may kindly peruse.
35. Do
My
you
lord,
have?
35.
Are they colored photos?
No, my
No.
lord.
Look at the amount of bloodshed over here. Look. I don't know whether these are
My lord,
the
these-
actual
these-
photos or not. This
My
I
lord.
do not know.
My lord, that's why I just want to, my lord, invite your lordship's attention, draw your lordship's attention to page 33. The medicines prescribed for such a grievous injury. My lord, it appears that Covaxi 625, it is for, my lord, prescribed for a bacterial or fungus infection, just to kill bacterial or fungus infection. Then, my lord, PCM 500, that is my lord, paracetamol. My lord, my learned friend will not interrupt me. I have not interrupted you. And the next medicine is PEN 40. This is an antacid. For such a grievous injury, though, my lord, it is not a trial, these are the medicines prescribed. চুপ করবি?
My lord, 12 stitches were sustained, my lord. The petitioner lost one hearing organ, left ear. She has lost.
Where are those documents?
My lord, the document starts from, my lord, page 28, my lord. 28, my lord, there is physical assault, my lord, given, my lord. Next page, my lord, the medicine.
12 stitches. Where do I get that?
My lord, just a minute, my lord. My lord, kindly considers page 30, my lord. PTA right here, hearing sensitivity, moderate essential, review on Monday, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, thereafter speech. My lord, kindly considers page 31, my lord.
Yes.
Loss in something CO high loss.
Lottie loss.
Left ear, left ear, tritus, normal hearing of sensitivity, moderate essential. My lord, this is
Where are the stitches?
the stitches, my lord.
You must be having documents with you.
My lord, that is there, my lord.
It is there, may not be annexed.
My lord. Lord, what I am praying before his lordship is that, my lord, remedy is available under 173(8) of CRPC. That I know, my lord. But the actual fact is that, my lord, I don't have any faith on the investigating officer, my lord, who is conducting the investigation of the case. He deliberately, intentionally, purposefully, my lord, filed the charge sheet under lighter section, and this is the usual practice, my lord, to get bail. First, file the FIR into harsh
Has the
section,
bail,
thereafter take money after that
has
lighter.
bail been granted?
Bail granted, my lord. My lord, with these sections, my lord, 320.
No, when was the bail granted? The cause of action took place on
My 41 notice was served, my lord, in non-bailable offences.
2022.
My lord, in the charge sheet, your lordship will get the date of release of bail, my lord.
Now, since the charge sheet has already been filed, why don't you place this your prayer before the learned court where
Fine.
the matter is in seen?
But my lord, they.
I will not hear you. Why did you make the private respondent a party? You are supposed to make only your allegation is against the police. The private respondent is nowhere involved over here.
My lord, your lordship kindly considers if I file Naraji petition before the learned court, the learned court will direct the police authority only of that local police station to conduct an investigation. Further,
Very well. I'll pass direction. Please come.
and nothing will be revealed, my lord. If, my lord, this Director General of Police of CID is being given the charge of investigation, my lord, I think that would be better. If your lordship.
From 2022 till
Fine.
24, nothing will be left. Everything is gone. In the
I think
meantime,
medical evidences should be collected and
this
kept on the case diary.
On an incident of assault, the petitioner lodged a complaint before the police. Stop. A case was registered, being FIR number 222/22, dated 17th October 2022. Stop. Initially, the sections under which the FIR was lodged was 325/327/506/34 IPC. Stop. After investigation, the police has filed charge sheet, but the sections have been changed. Stop. Charge sheet has been filed under section 341/323/324/506/34 IPC. Stop paragraph. It has been submitted that the police has deliberately incorporated the sections with lesser punishment. Stop. The petitioner is not satisfied with the manner in which the investigation was conducted and charge sheet filed. Stop. The medical reports and the documents in connection with the said case was not properly adjudicated prior to filing the charge sheet. Stop paragraph. Learned advocate representing the state respondents relies upon a report forwarded by the inspector in charge, Vishnupur Police Station, signed on 3rd May 2024. Stop. On a perusal of the documents placed before this court and upon hearing the submissions made on behalf of the parties, it appears that the charge sheet has already been filed before the learned court, where the trial ought to start. Stop. Next. The petitioner, as the petitioner is dissatisfied with the manner in which the investigation has progressed, and the petitioner has expressed apprehension with regard to the action of the police officers. Accordingly, leave is granted to the petitioner to approach the learned trial court for relief. Stop. In the event the petitioner makes a prayer for transferring the investigation to a different authority or for conducting the investigation by a superior authority, the learned court shall consider the prayer of the petitioner in accordance with law. The writ petition stands disposed of.
My lord, only one submission I'll be making. My lord, your lordship has passed an order. In the writ petition, my lord, save and accept photographs. My lord, there is no such document. To prove the case of the writ petitioner that this injury is grievous in nature. My lord, in contrary to lordship subject to correction, may I kindly record that. My lord, this part of my submission.
My lord,
This part of my submission that in the writ petition.
The court is not looking at all those things.
My lord.
Because all the
As per sec-
documents must be
My lord.
there with in your CD.
My lord,
Lord,
I am
as per
wondering
section
he is
91 of-
making such an allegation against the
as
police.
per section
against
91
the
of
state.
CRPC,
But
the
my lord,
police officer ought
he
to
has-
have given me notice to produce the medical evidence record. That has also not
My
been
lord,
done.
if
This
it
a
is
purpose, my lord.
assumed that the police has failed to discharge their
And-
duty, what prevented him from annexing these
lord,
documents before this honorable
Only
court?
one thing, my lord, in the order, my lord. My lord, the investigation should be started de novo by the authority, my lord. That
My lord,
should,
Make
My
it
lord, my
clear
lord, that-
before there. This court is not passing any order for
my
re-investigation.
lord, my lord,
my lord.
So you make a prayer over there.
my lord.
Grateful, my lord.
Item number 88 from the combined